just see that?
What?
Claudia, don't you know your dog's mouth is really dirty?
What are you talking about? Mia's mouth is cleaner than mine.
Sorry to burst your bubble, Claudia, but David's telling the truth right now. A dog's mouth is dirtier than a human. It contains different bacteria that can harm us depending on the circumstances.
Oh my god, I didn't know that.
Hey, fret not, Claudia. Approximately 42% of pet owners believe the same thing.
I told you so, but you're not alone. Over 60% of dog owners think it's okay to let their dogs lick their face.
But what are you guys trying to say? Because it's hard to believe Mia licking my face can seriously cause life-threatening infections.
Claudia, did you know that bacteria are single-celled organisms that do not contain a nucleus and can only be observed with the use of a microscope? These organisms are only a few micrometers long and can be found covering your skin, inside your body, and organs as well as other places. These other places include your dog's oral cavities.
So what you're saying is Mia's mouth is covered in bacteria? That's crazy.
Yeah, exactly that. Mia's mouth is filled with numerous pathogens.
So why haven't I never gotten sick from Mia licking my face?
That's because the human body is vastly different from the anatomy of a dog. Therefore, a dog's flora of bacteria and a human's flora of bacteria are completely different.
David's correct. The pathogen from Mia to you often struggle to survive in their new environment.
So in most cases, the dog's bacteria can be harmless, but not all the time. For example, you cannot transmit strep from a human to a dog due to the different flora of bacteria, thus rendering the bacterial disease ineffective. But this is not the case for all diseases. Dogs can sometimes transmit rabies, which can become deadly.
Then if that's the case, does Mia have more bacteria than humans?
That's not necessarily the case. The oral health of a dog plays a major role. However, dogs do have more types of bacteria in their mouths than humans do.
So whether or not Mia has stinky breath can affect whether or not the bacteria in her mouth can harm me or not? Because I thought that was just because of what she ate or whether or not I brushed her teeth.
Yes, although those two things are significant contributing factors, as you like to call it, doggy breath, the issue resides in the fact that the abundance of pathogens can adversely affect not only your dog's health, but also your own.
For instance, most dogs have the capacity to eat raw meat, garbage, and small animals found in your backyard.
Oh my god, I remember that time Mia brought home a dead rabbit.
Mia already has an abundance of Pastorella bacteria and Barnatella henselae bacteria, so just imagine how much more bacteria that dead rabbit has compounded to her mouth.
Also, you have to think, humans do not greet each other by sniffing each other's butts, however dogs do. They can contract various bacteria such as E. coli, Salmonella, Clostridia, and Campylobacteria, all of which can harmfully affect us if they are ingested.
That's crazy to think. So my dog carries deadly diseases? How many people do you think know about this? I bet I'm not the only one that thinks dogs' mouths are cleaner than humans.
I bet everyone knows that dogs' mouths are dirtier than humans. Let's see who's right.
Do you own a dog?
Of course I do. I just got a new puppy named Bo, and that's my 17th Labrador.
Oh wow, that's awesome. Does your dog have doggy breath?
They all have bad breath. That's normal.
So do you let your dogs lick your face?
Yeah, I do. I couldn't stop them if I tried.
Did you know that your dog's mouth is dirtier than yours?
Yeah, my dog's mouth is dirtier than my own. That's normal.
Do you own a dog?
Yes, I do own a dog. He's a little lab and beagle mix.
Does your dog have doggy breath?
It's hard to smell in this, but I believe he does. People tell me he does, so I think so.
Do you let your dog lick your face?
Not usually. I usually have a mask on, and he runs away. If I could, he would lick my face, though. Yes, I would allow it.
Did you know your dog's mouth is dirtier than yours?
I don't know about that. So, no.
Do you own a dog?
Oh yes, I do. She's one of the most prettiest dogs in the world, and not just because she's my dog. Did you ever hear of a breed called the Chinese Crested? Well, that's what type of dog Clementine is. You should see her. She's such a beauty. Here's a picture.
Oh wow, she is kind of pretty. Does your dog have doggy breath?
A little bit, but I feed her a lot of greenies to keep her bacteria in her mouth under control.
That's good. Do you let your dog lick your face?
No, that isn't sanitary.
Did you know that your dog's mouth is dirtier than yours?
Yes, I do.
Do you own a dog?
Why, of course I do.
Does your dog have doggy breath?
Yeah, I tried getting under control, but what's the use?
Do you let your dog lick your face?
Yes, of course. How am I supposed to not let my precious bamboozler not lick my face?
Did you know that your dog's mouth is dirtier than yours?
My bamboozler has a cleaner mouth than me.
Not only can we see dogs licking people's faces in Friends, family, as well as the people we interviewed, but also in classic TV shows such as Clifford the Big Red Dog. Here's a short clip.
So Clifford's so loyal, he's there when you call. I love Clifford, the big red dog.
Did you know that over 25 million pet owners believe that any type of chewing is good for dogs' teeth? In fact, chewing hard objects like bones and ice cubes can cause tooth fractures. In addition, Capnocytophagia canamoris, a bacteria transferred from dogs to humans through dog bites, can cause an infection that can lead through septicemia, aka blood poisoning.
Did you know 16 million pet owners believe dog saliva can heal human wounds? But in fact, allowing a dog to lick a cut or scrape can cause life-threatening infections. Also, 1 in 3 pet owners assume bad breath is normal for pets. However, bad breath is not normal. It is a sign of potential painful oral diseases.
Dogs have more negative bacteria than humans do, contrary to public belief. Furthermore, adult dog owners share more microbes with dogs than they do with their own children.
At the end of the day, even though many people believe that a dog's mouth is cleaner than a human's, that is not the case. A dog's mouth is not cleaner than a human's. It is in fact proven to contain more harmful bacteria.
However, a dog's oral health plays an important role in how clean or dirty a dog's mouth is in comparison to a human. A dog who gets regular cleaning and checkups at the vet will most likely be cleaner than that of a stray dog.
After all is said and done, you are more likely to get a serious illness from kissing a person than kissing a dog.
Oh!
What?
Stop laughing. This is serious. Serious face.
That made me laugh. Okay.
Okay.
Yes!
You have to count it, Nastasia. How am
3.
I supposed to know?
Because I already told you.